Ready to break free from your usual Ome circle and connect with the world? First, ensure you have the Ome TV app installed and ready to go. To truly change your Ome location, you'll need a virtual private network, or VPN. There are many reputable VPN providers out there. Do some research and choose one that fits your needs and budget. We're not endorsing any specific service. Download and install your chosen VPN application on your device while this could be your smartphone, tablet, or even your computer. Once installed, open your VPN app. You'll typically see a list of countries where their servers are located. Browse through the list and select the country you wish to appear from. Tap on the country name or the connect button. The app will then establish a secure connection to a server in that region. You'll know you're successfully connected when the app indicates an active VPN connection, often displaying the country you've chosen. Now, open the Ome app as you normally would. Because your virtual location has been altered by the VPN, Ome will now connect you with users from the country you selected. You can now explore new conversations and make connections from across the globe. Remember to disconnect from your VPN when you're finished exploring different locations on Ome.